Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Madhura. You can call me Maggie, and I have with me Jyoti. You can call her Joe. And the two of us, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the channel. This is a channel where we react to music videos, trailers, clips, and we unleash our humble opinions on to the online community, unsuspecting online community. And just a little background about us: we are two. Um, I'm an ex-media professional. She still does media and broadcast, and we met at work, and we are great friends. And this is something we started as a fun project during the lockdown. And this is basically us trying to recreate what we used to do as part of our day jobs. Is we used to constantly listen to content, we used to sample content, and also curate content. So this is us doing what we used to actually get paid to do, and this is
Yeah,
something we just do for fun. So
yeah.
like I said, we react to trailers, music videos, clips, and we let you know what we think of them. So today we're going to react to a music video, right, Joe?
Yes, so this is an extension, like you said, of what we used to do. We used to sample new different kinds of music to put on air
Mm-hmm.
on our radio station, and we would get really excited back in the day for non-film music because filmy
Yes.
music तो हमें वैसे भी भेजा करते थे, music labels and all of that. लेकिन I have stumbled on something I'm very excited about on YouTube. It's something called the Anahat Foundation, and it's a musical
Okay.
non-profit and they
Mm-hmm.
are all about their tagline is empowering folk music through technology. So what they're doing is they're basically recording videos of all these folk artists from around the country and putting them online. So these
Mm-hmm.
people get more exposure and they get
Oh,
seen by
nice.
more people. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
in this whole attempt of theirs, they created something called the Equals Sessions, where
Okay.
they brought two different artists, folk artists together to create a
Mm-hmm.
brand new Ghana. So
Mm-hmm.
there's one song that we're going to listen to today and react to, and in this song there are two different artists. One is the Amar Jalal group, which is a folk group
Mm-hmm.
from Punjab, and
Mm-hmm.
led of course by Amar Jalal, and I think with his brother and friends, I don't know, but and the other is Farid Kot. Now Farid Kot, I think, is a duo, and
Mm-hmm.
what they decide, and Farid Kot, I think they're like a DJ duo or a music producer duo. I'm not sure exactly. You can tell me if you
Mm-hmm.
know more about them.
Mm-hmm.
Lekin they are the
Mm-hmm.
ones who were supposed to sort of train the Amar Jalal group and how a new song is
Okay.
created and how it's mixed in the studios and how then lyrics are adjusted to the rhythm and the tune and all of that. So anyway,
Mm-hmm.
bottom line, they ended up creating this one Ghana which is called Nasha,
Okay.
and we are now going to react to it. It's a peppy Punjabi folk song which will make you tap your feet and groove. It's about a
Okay.
young
That's
boy
the
who's professing,
descriptor.
yeah, it's a young boy professing his affection to a girl whom he loves by praising her eyes. He knows the girl is
Mm-hmm.
famous and has grabbed everyone's attention wherever she goes. He assures her that one day she will surely feel proud of this boy. So it's a this Punjabi folk with an exquisite urban taste is written by the young duo Amar Jalal and Balla Jalal, and they are a folk group of from Bhatinda, and they were
Mm-hmm.
mentored by Farid Kot energetic duo IP Singh and Rajarshi Sanyal. So
Okay. Okay.
I've just read out from the from
Let's,
YouTube, but yes, that is let's just get into the music now. Enough talking.
yeah, let's just get into the music. Okay.
Okay, one,
Shall we?
two, three, yeah, play.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ
I
ਬੜਾ
like the vibe.
ਆਇਓ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Yeah.
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਆਇਓ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਹੋਵੇਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਆਵੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Nice. I like it.
ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ
Nice bass.
हैप्पी हो जा जदों जाने मैनू मिलनी है जाने मैनू मिलनी जिन्ना प्यार तेरे शक्कां विचों आवे मैनू
Cute.
मैं वेखिया बड़ा ना ओ लक्खां विचों आवे मैनू जेड़ा नशा तेरी अखां विचों आवे मैनू मैं वेखिया
What is this instrument? I want to know.
Isn't that the bugud?
I don't know what
Bugudu,
it's called.
bugudu. I think it's called the bugudu.
Bugudu. Yeah.
तेरे बिना फील बड़ा करिए अलोननी देखण नु तैनू नित आइए तेरे सोननी हॉलीवुड विच तेरे चर्चे ने लाउडनी अमर बल्ले ते तू भी करेंगी प्राउडनी
जिन्ना ਸਕੂਨ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਤਾਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਤਾਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਤਾਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਤਾਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾ
Nice.
Oh my God, my soul is so happy right now.
I like the song. It's simple and it just brings you joy.
Yes, exactly. It brings you joy. The
And it's
lyrics
got
are
an
so
instant. The lyrics are very cute. I mean, they are like very cutely. What do I say? Like, can I use the word
It's just
"sada chap"? But
simple. Like, yeah, simple. Like a non-Punjabi speaker like you and I, we can understand.
correct. But it's got an instant grab to it. Like you
Yes.
listen to the song and
From
you're
the
like,
first-
I can completely, it'll stay with you and you'll start humming the song. By the time the song is done, the melody is simple. And more often than not, simple melodies are the hardest to come up with, right? So,
Yes. Yes.
like it. completely
I
like it.
yeah.
I also have to say I got distracted by some of the other Equal Sessions tracks that were showing up as recommendations while we were listening to this video and watching this video. So I would
Yeah, we
love
have to
to
get
go
to them.
and check out the rest of the Equal Sessions.
Especially after
So
listening to this song, firstly, like shout out to Anahat Foundation for doing this. And because if
mhm,
you didn't do what you're doing, then we would not have heard of these artists. And I loved that they came together and made this Ghana from scratch, right? Amar Jalal and
mhm,
Farikot and
mhm.
Bugru, that is the name of that instrument. I have been trying to figure that out for a very long time, and it's written here in the description of the
Yes,
video.
it's
So
Bugadu.
thank you for putting all the instruments here. There's
Also
the
listing.
dholak, the
Actually,
harmonium.
it's also great that they are, yes, because a lot of times you don't really list everybody, you don't really give credit,
Credit to
and
all the
you
musicians.
know,
Yeah,
and also what I liked about this is that it's also simplicity in terms of arrangement. You know, it's a song that they could have gone bonkers, and they could have had like 50 musicians playing this song, but they've done the very clever thing of less is more,
less
and
is
they've
more.
just let the melody and the voices just do the talking themselves, which I really like. Otherwise,
Yeah,
you can always program the hell out of a track and it will become noise, you know, which
just
I'm
this
glad that
in
they
its raw.
resisted that temptation, and they've just left it as it is, unadulterated,
Yes.
you know, not too tampered with, which I'm very happy to, you know,
Yeah,
hear.
and like
I'm very happy to have discovered this.
we haven't heard music like this in such a long time.
It's
If you
been
keep
a while. Yes.
like even like other series and other sort of mashup and covers and all of that, they sound very processed and mixed in a studio and all of
Yes.
that. This
Yes.
this sounds so folk and so raw and so beautiful and just I am loving it. I am loving it. It's still going on in my head. And I feel like I'm gonna add it to my playlist. I'm gonna play it on repeat
Yes.
the rest of the day today.
Yes.
So
True.
joy, just instant joy.
Yes. It's a joy. It is a
It's a
joy.
joy.
The
And
music
I
is
think
a joy.
yeah, and we're gonna get to other songs from the Equal Sessions and
Yes,
from the
we will
Anahat
definitely get to the
platform.
other songs. Yes, we will. We definitely want to do a deep dive and discover more of the tracks that they are putting out there. So
Yes.
that was one of the first ones that we've uh, reacted to by Equal Sessions. It's a song called Nasha. We love the video. It's a 2+2, 4 thumbs up from us. If there is any other video you would like for us to react, please do let us know. We love to discover new music. We love listening to music that makes our day. This is what we live for, and this is what will make us feel happy the entire day. So give us more reasons for joy, recommend songs, and if you want to get in touch with us, like, comment, or subscribe to this channel. We will be back with another video very soon. This is the two of us saying bye.
Bye.